All right, everyone, what's up? Fishing with Austin. Thanks for checking out this video. We have an amazing video in store for us that goes over topwater lures and stuff like that, hints, tips, and tricks for bass. But I just want to outline here, before we get started, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And it's going to be this amazing Casino tackle backpack. I've used this thing, it's super reliable. I just want to reward the viewers for supporting me all through the years and for supporting my channel. Every time a video pops up, they click on the notification. I just want to thank everyone for it. So I'm going to be giving them this bag, not all the bait, of course, because I need that so I can make YouTube videos for you guys, but there will be a little bit of bait in here. I'll leave some lures in here for you guys, but go ahead and drop a comment down below, give a thumbs up, and just put giveaway in the comment section. I'll be picking a random winner at the end of the week, maybe this Friday coming up, and then I'll get in touch with you, send you an email or something. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoy the video. Oh yeah. Just gotta throw it there and let it sit. Oh, I got a tarpon. I got a tarpon. Get out of here. No. No. How you like that big bass, huh? Big bass. Big bass. Oh my God. Oh man. Probably the biggest bass I ever caught right here. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Please tell me I was recording. I'm recording. This is so cool. Some cool outside. Get some topwater action in before the sun goes down. A little cichlid. Yeah. Look at this little thing, huh? You were hungry, weren't you? There you go. Released safely into the wild. All right, guys. So this evening we are throwing topwater. We have a little prop bait right here, just some generic one from Bass Pro. But basically what you want to do is you want to get this lure up against the bank like that, as close as you can to the shore. Wait for the ripples to go away and then give her 2 twitches. 1 or 2 twitches, then let it sit. Usually on the 3rd or 4th twitch they'll hit it, if they're there. You can work it faster, you can work it slower. The beauty about these prop baits is you can reel it in like this and they'll still hit it because the blades act like a buzz bait. So you'll get hits on this mainly because you also have to watch out for the line getting tangled around your blade. You want the eyelet to be straight up and down on front and back. You want those blades to be able to spin freely, but they'll bite these blades just because they're shiny and they look like minnows. So you'll get panfish, cichlid, all sorts of stuff, bass, and if the bass don't eat it off the principle of the body of the lure, they'll eat it solely off of the hint that the blades could be a minnow. So we got a big old gator here coming to join us for our little instruction today. Oh, we had a little bite there. When they bite, just wait for it. Give it a couple seconds, couple pops. Always be checking your bait, make sure your line isn't wrapped around. The kind of banks I'm targeting are going to be little feeder creeks right here. Bait fish are known to hang around those, and they also hang around the cover right there by the tree. So any little spot by these, you want to fish the mouth, just up from the mouth and just down from the mouth with the top water. You want to fish the back corners, the back little cuts, and then work your bait out along the edge of that tree and then wait out in deeper water. If the fish are out in deeper water and you wait, they'll come up and hit it. Oh, I got a tarpon. I got a tarpon. I have a huge tarpon in there. There's a cottonmouth right there in front of me. Wow. Good heavens. Oh, I think he has me under a tree. I lost him. He jumped. Wow. That was definitely something. So the tarpon are here. When you lose a big fish like that, shake it off, keep fishing. Plenty more fish to be out there. I hate when people are like throwing their rods down, putting their hands over their head and just throwing a hissy fit. That whole time you're throwing a little hissy fit, you could be out there catching a fish. Get out there and fish as soon as you can, because if something bit, they're gonna keep on biting. You're in a feeding window. There's a window in the time of the day when the fish are feeding, and when you lose a big fish like that, you're on the deck of the boat, you're on the bank thinking about what could have been instead of focusing on what could be. I just almost had a fish there. My first cast back out here after losing the fish. That just goes to show you, get back out there and fish, because they're obviously feeding. Right there underneath that treetop would be a good spot. Now, it's a calm day. It's calm out here, so you really don't have to do much with your lure. It's over a tree branch right now. I wonder if something will come up and eat it. Nope. That tarpon went straight for the trees. He went straight for cover. That dude was not about to get caught today. That was a good one too. At least 10 or 15 pounds. That was a big one. Okay, we got a little cut back right there. Let's see what we can do with it. Oop, we can throw right into the trees. That's what we can do. All right, we're just gonna let it sit there and let the fish know that something landed in front of them. I'm already getting bit. Now we can give her a couple twitches. Let it know it's alive, that it's injured. Yeah, I mean, that tarpon took me under a treetop underwater, and he decided to come back up for another jump, and the lure hooked onto the tree while he went another way, and he got off. Simple as that. Any little pocket or cutback, that's where those fish are gonna be hanging out at. Right up against the bank. Let it sit. When you do little twitches like that too, it stays in the strike zone. I'm getting eat up by mosquitoes out here. That's okay though. We're catching fish. Good spot. Right underneath that tree where it comes out over the water. Let it sit. Little twitches. Get those blades reflecting, right? When we get those blades twinkling, they'll think it's minnows on top. They'll come out and eat it. When that tarpon hit, I thought it was a gar. I was like, okay, whatever. And then he jumped, and I was like, oh, it's actually a pretty huge fish. I should probably start chunking down on him. right up against the bank, let it sit, let the ripples go away, a couple twirls of the blades, right there by those lily pads, any little isolated pocket of cover. Fish will be there waiting for the food. Oh yeah. Just gotta throw it there and let it sit. Feels big, whatever he is. Moving a lot of water. He didn't really blow up on it either. Good bass. Good bass. Oh yeah, come on up here. Big bass, y'all. How you like that big bass, huh? And I was recording, let's go. All right, let's get this big boy back in the water, huh? 2.5, pushing 3 maybe. He's thick old boy. Off you go, buddy. Get out of here. No. No. Silly gator. Now you don't want to have a tight line when working this. You want to pop your slack. Because there's bushes and stuff around me, I'm just popping it up. But you could have your rod down here at about 4 or 5 o'clock and pop it like that. Trick it, walk the dog with it, pop your slack, and get a rhythm going. But I mean, if you can get those blades to pop, get the blades twinkling, get them working, they'll bite. The fish I fish for are bass. They're opportunistic. They are ambush predators. If you can cast good and put it in the ambush spot, they're going to take the opportunity to bite this lure almost no matter how you work it, unless you go to extreme levels like thrashing it around in the water. So we have some grass right here. I know bait fish love hanging around this grass, so we're going to throw it right up against the grass, let it hang out, a couple pops, and wait. Missed him. I'm not going to reel my bait out of there yet. I'm going to keep working it in that area. They might come back for it. What do we got? Gar? Don't be a snake. Please don't be a snake. Oh, thank God. I saw a snake here earlier and I do not want to hook one. I'd rather hook a mudfish, a gar, a gator, anything but a snake. When it lands, that gets their attention. That first pop should get them to swim over to it. And then the second pop should be them eating it. That's how it should go. Ooh, something's chasing it right there. I wonder if he's still there. Oh, that was a gar. Get away from it. Now I'm hung up. Alright, I think that does it for today.